What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I make videos every week. Now today I just thought I could actually review the brand new fragrance from Avon. If you're a fan of perfumes, if you're a fan of Avon, you know what I'm talking about. And I have it right here with me. So if you're curious about the new fragrance, how it smells, what it looks like, make sure you actually watch this video, and obviously make sure you like this video if you do, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my TikTok because that is my most active social media right now. So without wasting your time, let us get into it. Fragrance, I have it right here. So it comes in this box, Avon Far Away Beyond the Moon. Just looking at this, honestly, like obviously there's nothing special about the actual box because it's stuff that we've seen before. Zara perfumes, they also have similar boxes. And also Far Away is a staple fragrance from Avon, so I think they kept the purple. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Far Away fragrance, but I'll actually try to link it somewhere here. Without even seeing the name, you can actually kind of tell that it is Far Away. Let's actually open it so that we can actually see it together. Obviously I've opened it before, I've used it before, and I'm literally impressed. This is what you get. This is the actual perfume. I don't know if you guys can see properly, but it actually is very aesthetic. I just don't like it when brands actually give us exactly the same packaging, the same colors, and they just be like, okay, it's just the second edition. You can literally tell that it is a part of the Far Away family, but it is literally very different as well. So I really love it. It's very aesthetic. I mean, I'm a girl who doesn't just go for a perfume because it smells nice or because of the brand. I also love the packaging. I love aesthetically pleasing packages, and I think this one, check. When it comes to the box, it's not that special, to be quite honest, but this, approved. When it comes to the scent, it actually smells like, let me actually smell it right now. Oh my goodness. To be quite honest, it's not that different, but what I can say is this one is a bit more sweet and more fresh and more ocean natural. Like, it's so fresh. Like, it's not super aggressive. It doesn't have that super aggressive alcohol smell, which I really dislike, to be quite honest. No offense to anyone who is into that. It's more refreshing. Like, it's not the type of smell where people are just going to be very annoyed when they're around you and all of that. I just literally hate it when you can smell the spirit from the perfume instead of the nice scent, nice casual sweet scent. And I do have a link on my TikTok where you guys can actually get 10% off. So if you follow me on my TikTok, or maybe if you just go on my TikTok and look at my bio, you can actually find a link there so that you can get the perfume for 10% less. I love the size as well. I mean, let's talk about the size as well. The size is perfect for me traveling and all of that. I mean, I'm not the type of girly who's going to have like a very long, tall fragrance inside my bag, because usually I don't even have enough space for that. So this size is perfection for me. And when it comes to the name, I think it's very catchy. It's I think it sparks curiosity as well, like Beyond the Moon. What is that about? Like, what does it even smell like? The moon? You have no idea what it's going to smell like. So that's why people would actually run and actually go and buy it. So yeah, I love it. Far Away Beyond the Moon. Make sure you check it out if you love it, if it's approved by you. If you end up buying it, make sure you share with me down below, and I will be more than happy to see that. The retail price for this is $319 right now, so $319, but you can also get it for far less than that if you go to my TikTok. So yes, for me, to be quite honest, it's approved. I'm not a fragrance girly where I'm just like very picky about my scent, but I think this is going to be my go-to from now on. I used to use Zara. I'm actually going to link it somewhere here. There's a Zara perfume that is lavender. I was actually very upset when they discontinued it, but I think this is a great replacement. This really reminds me of that perfume, but it also has that Far Away Avon vibe, you know, that is very unique and very different. So yes, I think that's all, to be quite honest. I wanted to keep this video as short as possible, tell you my review, show you the product, And yes, if you guys like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of this, make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you want me to review. Let me know what you want to see before you buy it. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.